Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Charisse. This is going to be my first video for the new year, and what better than a hair video. So today I will be trying out some new products. These have been out for quite a long time, but they've just been so scarce that I don't think a lot of people were able to get their hands on them because I think that they made them in such a limited quantity. But now I think they're more widespread. I found them in Target, the Mielle Moisture RX line. So on a recent trip to Target, I know one of my things this year was I'm not spending a lot of money on hair care products. And the reason that I said that I wasn't spending money on hair care products was because I think I use too many products. And I know as a vlogger, it's our kind of job to try and test things out. But I wanted to cut a lot of products in half, a lot of products that I buy in half. I'm not using that many things this year. I think last year I really overdid it. So this year my goal is to really buy quality instead of quantity. But when I went in Target, back to my story, I'm just all over the place. When I went in Target recently, you know, Target tells you what you need. You know, you don't go into Target saying, I'm going to get this. Target tells you what you need. And so Target told me that I needed this collection. Now, I think that I'm short a few products, but I was able to pick up quite a few. 3, I think I'm missing I think they have a smoothie and they have a shampoo and conditioner, I think. I was able to pick up the moisturizing gel, the moisturizing conditioner, as well as the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So I already used the moisturizing conditioner, which is an overnight conditioner, on my hair already. And this is what it looks like. They retail for $9.99 in Target. I'm just repeating the process in the front. Leave-in conditioner gel. This is thick, baby. So this is definition only using the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to move on to the gel, and I don't even have to use a lot of gel with this. So I think I use way too much leave-in conditioner. So what I will do is wipe it off with my microfiber towel, and normally I wouldn't have to use as much product if I just do my hair in the shower, but because I'm filming it, I wanted to not have it as wet, just because it's a freaking mess filming and just having dripping hair all over the place. So yeah, this is a lot, like a lot of products that I used. I'm gonna move on to the final section. And so far, so good. I would recommend the product. The only thing left for me to see is how it will dry. But, you know, right now I do love the products. I feel like they're quality products. They do define, they moisturize. And like I said, the last step is to just see how they're going to last as well as dry. So my final section, and then I will be done. So now that I have applied product to all sides of my hair, I'm going to style it. Of course, it's just gonna be a wash and go. So there's a technique that I like to use to lay my hair, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So this is, it's pretty nice and defined. So I'm just going to put everything back together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and then show you how it dries, how it defines when it dries, and just give you guys my final thoughts on the Mielle Moisture RX collection. Well, the three products that I use, because there are more products to this line. So I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts on this line. Hey guys, so my hair is dried, maybe about 80%. There's still a lot of damp spots in it, but I just wanted to hop on really quickly and show you guys the end result. So I will say that I do love the products. My hair is very soft, it's defined, and I think it doesn't feel filmy. So that's one of the things that I was worried about, but I absolutely love my hair. There's a lot of definition, as you can see. Even my ends feel super good. I have a lot of split ends and they feel and look really good. So I have nothing but good things to say about this Mielle Organics moisture line, Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I used 3 of their products. I think that these will stand great alongside my honey pomegranate collection. And yeah, if you guys are interested in trying the line, I think that it's a major go. I love the products. So far, so good. The only thing that I have to look forward to, not even look forward to see how these products last. So how many days I'm gonna get out of this wash day, I'm unsure. There are a few factors that are working against me, which is I do have some damaged hair. My split ends are just terrible. All in all, I think that the products are great. And if you are looking for some new products for 2020, I think that you should definitely try these. If you're not a subscriber in 2020 now, it'd be a good time to do so. And that is going to do it for this video. I will see you guys right here for another video.